Hi Kickstarter, I'm Dennis. Welcome to my project. This project is a carabiner crossed with a split-second keyring. The split-second keyring is one of my previous designs, which I combined it with the carabiner. It's really compact. It's a 24mm keyring, probably the best of this size keyring on the market. It's probably the only one that's combined with a carabiner. It's been CNC'd and EDM wire cut. And it also comes with a small magnet. The magnet also acts as a sleeve to go over the hook. So when the hook is lifting something, the sleeve stops it from plying apart. And a magnet. Just goes over the hook part that locks it in so that the hook does not come apart. Put the chain in. There's the keyring. It shows you how much weight it'll have. You wouldn't want to go any more weight, and you shouldn't really have this weight on it. But I'm just proving that how strong the carabiner is. Thank you for viewing my project. Cheers.